Okay, so let's start with the data type example in Java. So first we will start with the Boolean thing. So in Boolean, only two values are possible, true or false. If you are printing any then or true or false, then it will be display an error or it will throw an error. Okay, so this is the data type Boolean. B is my variable name and this is the value we are using. And I am printing both my output here. I will run this program. So you can see for the B and C, true and false is getting printed. Now let's start with the cat data type. In cat data type, here values are getting printed in this. Okay. So in cat, we can print single character like this only. Like if any day like anything like a single character can be printed. But if you see here, I have provided a numeric value. So this is a ASCII value. If you go to the ASCII table, you can see for the 98 assigned value is in lowercase b. So if you go here, you will see for the 98 B is getting printed in the lower case. If you want to try some other thing, like if you want to try 109, so a small lamp should be printed. I will go here, will replace with 109. I will rerun my, and you can see lowercase m is getting printed. So this is getting printed. Normally we declare cat d1 equal to like any single value. You can see like cat d1 is getting printed here. Let's start with the other data type, which is the integer. So integer is declared value is 23 and same value is getting printed. Now start with the data converter or you can say the typecasting. First one is the widening or the casting. So here you are converting lower data type into upper data type. So in F1 variable I have declared as a 10 and float z equal to f1 which I am converting into the flow. So upcasting happen internally. You don't have to provide anything. You have to just assign the value and conversion will happen automatically. But if you are narrowing down, like if you want to convert the larger data type into the smaller data type, then we used to declare like this. So here I have declared one variable dt and assign it value 100.04 of data type double. And now I want to convert into the long. I will write long, my new variable name in bracket long. Then what are the original variable I want to convert? So dt. So here it is getting converted. Then start with the float. So if you want to declare the float, so you have to provide like 100 point, whatever value you want to provide after decimal, and then use keyword. So if any value having the appended with the f, then it will consider as a what? It will consider as a float. Next, coming to the double. Mhm. So here double marks 10 201.5 I have declared. I am printing the same here. Okay. So now we will see some other important things. Like I have declared here like in x1 equal to 10. This is of integer 10. And there is one more integer I have declared x2 as only. Then what is different? So integer is the class in Java that provide a wrapper around the primitive int data type. So if you go here, you can see this integer is a wrapper class. And below that you can see there is int, then long, then short, and then byte present. Okay. So in same way for the short, you can see this is a normal class and this short is the wrapper class. Same we have declared the static. So I have declared value here like static in a equal to 89. If I want to declare any variable as a static, then this is the static keyword This is the data type. This is a variable name, and this is the assigned value to it. So I have printed the static value here, and it is getting as 89. So in this lecture, we have seen the data type, how it works. For example, in next we will going to see like what are the if else condition,